Hi all, welcome to Power RPA. Today we are going to see how to execute Excel macros in Power Automate Desktop. First we need to write a sample macro in Excel. Um, I have already wrote a code in my Excel. I open this. What actually it will do is it will change the text font color one of the row in this table in this Excel. I'll show you the code. Now go to Visual Basic. Yeah, here it is. I want to change the font color in the fourth row, and all the columns in all the columns. Um, I will give this code in description. You can try, and let me show you how we can use this macro in Power Automate Desktop. First, we need to launch the Excel. Launch Excel. Open the following document. Path of the obvious path. We don't need these double quotations. I'm removing them. Save it, and we'll take our Excel macro and how single quotations inside that we'll give challenge dot XLSM. The extension is XLSM because we write some macro, right? Discrimination, and here I will give the function name font color. Yeah, in macros we give this is the function name, right? We use this function name inside the Power Automate. Yes, we will run you on show you. See, the font color was changed. Likewise, I will use macros in Power Automate Desktop. Thanks for watching.